Where's Zeke bird? Here he is on the bed. Oh, now he's going up here. Where are you going, Zeke? He goes in the closet. He comes out of the closet. Then he goes up to the bed. Up to the head of the bed. Right? Then he goes down to the foot of the bed. What you doing, buddy? What's up, Zeke? Then he goes down the floor, into the closet. You can stay in here for a little bit. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You want me to come in? He wants me to go in. And he goes out again. Up on the bed. Up to the head of the bed. Up to his play stand. Down to the bed again. Down on the floor. Oh, not in the closet this time. Where are you going this time, buddy? And he goes up to his tree. What, buddy? Then he goes down on the floor again. Up on the bed. Up on his play stand. Down on the bed. Where are you going? What's this all about, buddy boy? You just staking your territory into the closet. I was kind of wanting to see how many times he would do this. But I've got to come in the closet. Then he goes out. Flies up on the bed. What's going on, buddy? What's going on? Okay, now he just walks to the foot of the bed. What's going on? You gonna fly again? Getting tired? Those wings are something else, aren't they? Yellow. Now he's going in here. No? You gonna go back? And over here. And up here. Where's it, buddy? Change your mind? Back over here, huh? I don't know about you, I'm getting tired. What? What's in here that you want, huh? Anything? It's coming back out. I think think whatever he's doing, he seems to like it. Okay, buddy. Come here. Ugh. Speed break. What you doing? Let's say goodbye to your fans, okay? Say goodbye to your fans. Bye-bye.